Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Analytics 4 events with DebugView, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have access to Google Analytics 4 and the property you want to verify. Open Google Analytics and navigate to your desired property. On the left-hand menu, click on Configure. From there, select DebugView. Make sure your site or app is configured to send data to Google Analytics. Open your website or app in a separate browser window or device. If you are using a website, enable the Google Tag Assistant in the browser to ensure tags are firing correctly. For apps, use the DebugView tool in your development environment. Once you're on your site or app, trigger the events you want to verify. Head back to Google Analytics and look for the live events in the DebugView. You should see the events populate in real time as they are triggered. Verify that the event names, parameters, and other relevant information are correctly displayed. If the events do not appear, ensure that the data is being sent correctly from your site or app. You may need to refresh the DebugView page to see the latest data. Inspect the event parameters to confirm they match your expectations. Look for any discrepancies or missing information in the events. If issues are found, troubleshoot the tracking setup to ensure proper configurations. Once you have confirmed everything is working, you can proceed with your analysis in Google Analytics. This completes the process for verifying Google Analytics 4 events using DebugView. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.